Good afternoon, Professor. This is in reference to the email that I sent you in my panic. Okay, so I'm looking at the syllabus. I'm scrolling down to last week, which is topic 4, which is also what I saw on my calendar. So under assessments, it mentions field experience C, mentoring plan, which is what I turned in. When I looked at week 5 video, it mentioned a PowerPoint on evaluating teacher practices in the 21st century. That's what I was questioning about, whether that was what I was supposed to do instead of this mentoring plan. So I did not see it. It's on the calendar where I usually submit all my work, nor do I see it in the syllabus. But it was referenced in the video for week 5.